it's 3 bolts that hold it to the shifter, and those bolts.
What I did? You ready to build some wheelie bars or what?
It's a little early.
Yeah, it's a little early. That's what I'm saying. I'm late too, but it's all right.
I had a ring I need to weld this on.
Oh, you're good. I had a feeling we wouldn't leave right away anyways, so. Okay. Is that good? You want me to do it or you want to do it?
No, we'll go do it over there.
Oh, okay.
Easy. That's good.
Sweet. Sorry to interrupt, but I need to introduce the sponsor of today's video. The sponsor is Harry's. We've worked with them in the past, and I love working with them because I actually love their products. I use them. I've been using them for the past 3 years, and I use them because every single time I use them, I get a smooth, comfortable shave, and they're really affordably priced. The offer that I can give to you guys today is the same one as last time. It's a $3 trial set with $2 refills. All you got to do is go to the link down below, harrys.com/Metigulous. Super easy, great stuff. The trial set will come with a 5-blade razor, the weighted handle, the razor guard, and then also their foaming shave gel, which is awesome. It smells great, it works great, super smooth shave, no issues. I actually just shaved my face too, but I'm not going to show you guys that this time because that's what we did last time. We're in Florida, as you guys can tell. We got all the trees and stuff behind us. So that means Wyatt is here, and Wyatt's beard is always looking ridiculous because he does not maintain it or shave it. So I'm going to try and see. I've never done anybody's beard before, but I'm going to try and like, not line him up, but just kind of clean him up a little bit, make him look a little bit better. And I thought it might be kind of funny to film it. So I mean, I guess you get both of us together. Something funny is bound to happen. So we'll do a little bit before. I'll show you guys what he looks like right now, and then show you guys what it looks like after. Oh, there you go. Dude with the T's, boy.
With the T's, baby. Let's go.
All right. Hold on. I got to get a before. Let's see that mug. Looking half homeless, boy. See if we can clean you up a little bit.
I don't look homeless. Jesus Christ.
What?
You sounded like a big old chunk.
Not even, dude. It's just going to even it out. Yours are like super curly.
I know, they're pubes.
Yeah, they are. They're real pube-like.
Mm-hmm. I will do them by myself.
Stop it.
I will do them by myself.
Stop it.
Lead them be.
Stop. What are you so worried for?
Somebody else has a very sharp object on my face.
It's a razor.
You can kill somebody with it. It's been done before.
Please.
You ever been in prison?
You haven't.
They kill them with plastic razors. Dude, get out of my face.
Super zoomed in. It's a wide angle.
Don't care. It's too close.
He just likes his like a straight line, so
Yes.
it looks a little bit better.
I don't look as homeless.
I mean, yeah, they just
Maybe
look
I
more
could upgrade
even.
sheds now.
But yeah, decent, Rick.
At least it's cleaned up and trimmed up.
Yeah, such a baby. I've been running around all day, but we are making some progress. I didn't have an 1 1/4 die, so we had to go bend this. And what else were we running around? Well, we had to go get some more material.
Aluminum.
Yeah, we had to go get some aluminum and some longer pieces for the middle. But we are got this piece all tacked up. It is the bottom part of the wheelie bar. So Tom's going ahead and right now he's putting it in the bottom, getting it all bolted in there so we can bolt that in there. We'll make the piece in the middle. So it's basically, it's going to look exactly like this. Literally the same design and everything. It's just going to be a little bit longer. And it's a little bit different of a kit. So it's a little bit bigger, the bar diameter itself. But yeah, we're going to make this bar first. Make these 2 little pieces, tack it all up, and then we'll make the two other top bars that come and like stabilize us. So just working. Tom, you look so funny crawling around under
It's so, the car is so low.
Yeah. But yeah, we're having fun. Having fun. Well, you're supposed to be over here helping me film. Help me work on the car, but you ain't over here helping me film, boy.
You know, I just forget about that stuff.
Holy shit, it's 10:30. Yeah. 10:30. We out here. We're making good progress. All we gotta do is make these
But we've
shit.
only really been working on it for 3.5 hours.
Yeah, that's true. We got here like at like 6:30, 7 o'clock. So we already made this brace that goes across. It's kind of cool. So these little pieces. Oh, geez, focus. So these little pieces right here tacked in. This spot moves, so these bars can still be adjusted up and down on both sides. And so basically, I used to have wheelie bars on it, right? But it didn't have this brace. So it's gonna have another bar that goes from here to here on both sides, so it actually stops these from trying to like
Collapse.
yeah, collapse in on each other because they're trying to go like down like this. So it's supposed to help brace it up. And then we don't have enough material to make these diagonal bars, but we have to also add 2 diagonal bars from here back up into here. So we'll do it tomorrow. I'm gonna set y'all up on a time lapse and film the rest of this. It's gonna be a late night.
Depot on the beat.
Sorry, guys.
Well, just got this all tacked up. Tomorrow when I come back, I'm gonna be moving this bar back further to where kind of these are. So these braces right here are halfway in between how long this wheelie bar is. This wheelie bar, like the top brace part is 6 foot. These are right in the middle at 3 foot. So we're gonna move that back a little bit. And then we just gotta do the diagonal braces that go from the center of this bar back over into here. On both sides, we don't have enough material. Like the kit that it came with wasn't long enough because it's a little bit different than what they want you to do. So go get the material tomorrow. Go drop Tom off. Go home, go to bed. And then we'll be back here tomorrow, weld it, finish it up, and then they'll be heading off to Texas.
We need to do the lid next week.
Oh yeah, we gotta do a lid. Yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. Be easy. It's the next day. Never fails when we try to do stuff last minute, I guess. He bought this kit and we don't have enough material for it. I don't know if I mentioned it last night, so we're gonna run this morning to get it. We actually need like a whole stick of inch and an 1/8. So like we need 4 foot, 4 foot. Yeah, I need 16 foot total. So go ahead and run and go and do that. Hopefully it don't take too long today, and then we'll get Tom all loaded up, bring him back over to the boys, and then they'll be going to Texas. Tom over here getting us some good ass food.
Hell yeah.
Over here, getting some good Mexican food, so you can't get it over in Tennessee.
No.
He got me some good tacos. Just gonna grub out really quick, and then go ahead and knock these out. It's not bad, huh?
Yeah, want me to build the chassis for you?
Yeah, you're hired. Tom's hired, full time, Metigulous employee. But yeah, it's not bad if this.
Fast.
Yeah, it does. It cuts really fast.
I can't believe it.
The reason why it wobbles so bad is because I got this thing caught one time, and when it spins, it
This
twists.
thing's got a lot of balls. To it.
Yeah, it twists this chuck right here, so that's why it's all wobbly. But yeah, other than that, it's normally pretty good.
No, I can't believe it. And
Yeah.
look, it's the same cutting, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
Still sharp.
nice and
Missing
clean.
A couple teeth, but
Yeah. I mean, it's a $10 whole saw, you know.
yeah, but
So-
it's only like $10.
Yeah, $10, $8. Works good.
And we've done this whole. I mean, that's.
Oh, and those were already used. Those were all used, you know.
If we buy one for every job like this,
Yeah, it's
$10.
worth. Yeah, yeah, no big deal. You know, because like you think about like Brent's notch, like what you're comparing it to. That thing eats belts and bearings like crazy, and it makes a whole bunch of noise. Got to have 2-phase for it, or 3-phase. I mean, like yeah. But I forgot to get the time lapse of this, but we got these 2 diagonals made. The little V, I guess, or K, I guess. And then we're working on this diagonal here, which is this bar over here that Tom just did the notch on, his first notch.
Ever.
And then, yeah, ever. Did a great job. Then we'll go ahead and make these secondary bars. Just finished up the wheelie bars, got them off, so they can go ahead and get the car loaded. Jamie's over here going to pick it up in a hurry, ASAP. So yeah, I got to weld this little lid for him really quick, and then I'll go ahead and weld these, and we'll go drop them off later, and we'll come hang out with you guys, I guess. You better not. You better stop. You better stop. Well, then it ain't my fault that your car, there, fuck, geez, stop it. You gonna drive me nuts. Yeah, he's this whole time We cut the wheels off 3 times. We cut this tack off 5 times. We cut this bar off. This bar was tacked here. This bar was off. Like just
I'll tell you where you screwed up.
where?
You let Tom come hang out while you were working on
Well,
it.
but he helped me. He did 1 notch. It's good. It's good. If not, I mean, there's a couple things I would have messed up if it wouldn't have been for him. So, yeah, he kept me coming. He fed me too, so it was nice.
Tom will always feed you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we ate good. We ate real good. You know, we got them real Mexico
That's how come I
Cokes,
try not to hang out with Tom.
or the fake Mexico Cokes, but the kind of real ones. So yeah, gonna be a fun time down in Florida.
But round is a shape, and you're trying to get in shape, so you're good.
He looks good.
I'm on a diet, bro. I can't.
He
hang
looks
out
real
with
good.
But round is a shape, right?
I mean, you're right,
And he's trying to get in shape.
I'm trying to. So I.
but he looks
what
real.
started
He
all
looks a
this-
good round though.
You know what's
what
funny
started
though?
this,
I
my
say this.
car lost weight, so I had.
I'm gonna tell you this right now though. It's the real deal. People online notice it.
Dude, he
And
looks.
I read the comments.
Dude,
they notice it.
His sweat. You can't even like. I love you, but I used to be able to see your belly through your sweatshirt, and now
Yeah.
it is
You're down
flat.
about 10 pounds now, right?
No, about 20.
I'm down 20.
He looks so good. He looks so good. Yeah.
It's all because my car was losing weight. I had to.
There you go. Go, Jamie.
Let's see how long.
Keep getting it. Keep getting it. You look good.
From the bottom.
All right, I'm gonna
So
weld
far
this.
under the car
All right,
goes.
you weld.
I'm gonna weld it. It will stop talking shit.
I'm gonna leave.
Just got it all loaded up in the truck. Go drop this off to them, and then we'll head home. Well, I'll probably hang out there for a little bit, like always, but head home and chill out for a little bit. I think I might take half a day off tomorrow. I've been burning it on both ends. It's been ridiculous. But yeah, I'm excited. We got Jamie being able to race safe. I guess he still could have went, but got him racing safe, and then we got Tom all taken care of too, so that way he can at least hopefully do some real good 60 foot. So we'll go over here, drop this off, and go hang out them for a little bit. All right, Mr. Tom.
I love him.
Yes, I'm glad. I'm tired.
So am I.
I'll see you down in Florida.
Yes, you will.
Have fun in Texas. I appreciate all the food
Oh, come on.
and the hanging. Yeah, I know. You gonna make me some food down in Florida. We'll chill. So go over here, say bye to Brent and them real quick. Tell them to have some fun down in Texas. Hey, before I leave, just want to say, have fun in Texas. You too.
Thank you for all your help, bro.
Yep. Tell them to go check out.
Awesome.
Here's this video on the bully. I'm not gonna show it because it looks too good.
You can show whatever you want.
No, I don't
Show
want
it.
to. No.
Show it.
I want them to go look and check it out.
All right.
So, y'all have fun down in Texas. I'll see y'all in Florida.
See you in Florida.
Yes. Yes. I'm gonna go home and go to bed. I'm tired. Yeah. You guys don't work too hard.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, right.
Thank you again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you for mine too.
Yep. Y'all have fun.